And by supporting the bean plants, I got to leave the weeds, otherwise everything's going to fall in and it's going to snap the stems. Now we've got all kinds of weeds here. We've got some yacons on this side. All of this is on irrigation. Bush beans, tomatoes here, summer squash here, pole beans up there, onions going to seed from last year's crop. This bed here was, or it's got leeks and onions. I don't know how well those are going to do. Got some potatoes in here that I moved over. Down here was supposed to be peppers. Have not seen a pepper at all. Even looking and weeding, the peppers were very small going in. So the goal is to just allow the garden to progress. These things are going to go to seed, just the way it's going to be. And it's contained. It's not like it's a whole yard full of weeds that look like a field. Everything's contained. I'm okay with that. And then harvesting these beans, I'm going to go in here and start picking these beans. Got a lot of flowers on them, but you can pick beans at any size. And I'm just kind of getting Mod Podge of different sizes here. And whenever I get through this row here and that front bed, then I will show you what I've got. Oh, there goes a rabbit right there. So that's why we have around the bean beds, we have this poultry fencing, which also helps contain all the weeds into confined beds. This one didn't have anything because it's leeks and onions and peppers, and they've never affected that. But this, it does make a difference. And then having all the weeds contained and walk paths between, just the way it is. You do your garden your way, we'll do ours. Yeah, got some seed going, some plants going to seed, but there's not much I am concerned with on that. So I'll show you what I got whenever I get done harvesting. All right, so I had to fix the irrigation system. Something had chewed a little hole in it. Here is the bean harvest. Enough for one meal for right now, and then 2 summer squashes. The beans are doing better up here than down there because of the lack of water, because of the irrigation issue. When the pole beans come in, they will produce quite a lot. What is that, a cicada? Is that, whoa, I think that's what that was. Okay, so these beans here are not as strong as I thought they were, and yes, some has to do with the weeds and the weak stand in which they were, but that's just the way gardening goes. We did not have plans to put up 40 pounds of green beans or anything like that. So that's kind of what we got going on. A little bit of the harvest and a little bit of the update and what the garden looks like. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird. This has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.